In front of me is SONY Xperia II, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at the very beginning you need to open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you would like to block, tap on More icon and select the block numbers. And then confirm that you would like to block this contact by tapping on Block. And that's it. Here you've got the notification, so from now on this number, this contact will not be able to reach you. If you would like to remove it from your blacklist, tap on More icon and select Unblock Numbers. Confirm by tapping on Unblock. If you will tap on More icon right here, you can also reach the settings and go to Block Numbers, and here you can make some further setup. So you can block numbers that are not in your contacts, you can block all private numbers and also all unknown numbers. You can add a number manually just by tapping on Add a Number. Here you can enter the number that you would like to block, tap on Block, and from now on he or she will not be able to reach you. And this is it. Obviously, if you want to remove some number from your blacklist, just tap on the cross icon. And this is it. That would be all. So you can block numbers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.